I'm hearing you.
The liquidity, we don't have the liquidity yet, right? So two questions. Can you give like a sample of how you expect the liquidity, like what form the liquidity can take, like how
The
the
liquidity
structure
is
works?
a pullback. You expect pullback. That's you want to buy. It must not be a go up. It must be something
Okay,
like
yeah.
go up, break zone, or coming back down to buy. Something like that.
Okay, last question. If you wanted to mark out the breaker block, which of these candles would you use to mark it? Then just mark it, let us see.
This
For
is a
those
bigger
of us
time
that
frame.
stuff.
This is a
Okay.
bigger time frame. Basically, you are going to look for a confirmation in this zone because it's a bigger breaker block. So you're expecting what a pullback from this zone. Firstly, you need to look for liquidity first.
Sir,
Mustafa.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, to ask of listen, whether break and retest, whether how you approach it, or you don't have listen something up
Please,
related to this.
um, please, your question should be our strategy. I've never
Okay,
mentioned break and retest in this
okay,
particular
okay, okay.
this thing.
Okay.
sir,
So
Don't
what of
go carry
this?
another thing for your head. If you
Okay,
have
okay.
support and resistance in your head, and you have this one in your
sir.
head,
Okay, so what of listen?
it will be
You know
complicating.
the listen, the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes time frames are the entries time frames. So in case you got your your other block or breaker block there and it's still big, maybe it have a a bigger wick or bigger big body. So are we zooming to the nearest lower time frame to find this thing to make our SLs to find a breaker block or an other block that is closer to the liquidity, then we'll reduce
I've
our
explained
SL
how you.
or
I've excuse me. I've explained. I've ex- see, I've explained. Oh, I've explained how you approach a bigger POI. Two different ways.
okay,
I'm not going back to anything I don't explain
okay,
now because it's
okay,
not like if you are not here for records, how you approach a big POI, big
okay,
week. I've explained it here.
okay.
So if you don't understand
Oh,
or you are not recorded,
No problem, no problem.
Toby, Toby, Mustafa, remove your hand. Let me know the people that is remaining.
Can I ask my question, please?
The greatest, ask your question. God, the greatest, ask your question. What? You guys are not hearing me. Ask us now.
sir, can you hear me? Oh, hello.
Are you guys hearing me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? The next person should ask your question.
Sir, I have a question on Euro GPY. Can you go to Euro GPY? Sir,
JPY. Okay.
yes. Can you go to 3 week time frame? Because I'm seeing bullish movement, but on 1 week, market is reacting from the other block. Does that
3
mean that
weeks.
3 weeks, uh, 3 months, 3 months time frame? Hmm.
1 week.
Market is reacting from 1 week other block.
network. No.
Does that mean the market have changed structure to downtrend, or we are still
Market
on
is market is
bullish?
bullish. No, market
Okay,
is still bullish. Basically, want to take out that high. So you know that that's a bigger time frame. There must be a reversal trying to respect what that other block, but it's will buy. It
okay,
won't just go up like that. It just will be a reversal, then go up.
okay, sir.
Another person,
Okay,
Okay,
boss,
sir.
I have
please,
a
you guys should be
question.
fast. Oh
My
yeah.
question is still on the Euro JPY.
Mm-hmm.
On the 1 hour time frame, please can you open there? There is a before market started reacting from the monthly order block. There is kind of like a trend line. Yes, my question is, will market still come and take out this trend line before it starts buying again?
Now, understand the market is bullish. Now, again, if market is bullish and market wants to sell down or make a retracement, this consolidation must be in before they sell. Something like, I will use for example now. You ask your question, let me get it again.
I said before on the monthly time frame, USPY is bullish, you know that. And then but now market is reacting from another block. So before getting to that other block, market created trend line on the hourly time frame that we are seeing now. So my question is talking about let's say like a counter trend now. We are you answered in the group chat that markets you should always want to use counter trend unless there's like a trend line liquidity there. So my question is will markets now come down to take out this liquidity because I'm actually on a trade on this ADP1 and I'm selling it. I put my TP to be below the trend line at the end of the trend line. So I'm asking you to come and take out that trend line or is to start
Since
buying.
we have a trend line liquidity, market can actually come back and take it out. Another question.
Well done, Chief. My question is, if price weaks the structure and pulls back before breaking it with a full body candle, is the breaker block still valid?
If price did what? Sorry.
Like after sweeping liquidity before breaking structure, if it weaks the
Wait,
eye
let me draw what you mean. After, before, for example, start again.
after sweeping liquidity,
Start again. Let me draw it. Let me see. Shipping liquidity, yeah.
uh,
Uh-huh.
then before it the eye, it just weaks it.
Before breaking this high,
Yeah, it
right?
weaks the eye,
You
and
see weak. I'm not hearing
yeah,
you. Before breaking this high, you see what?
can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Before breaking this high, you see
Like
what?
like it's pulls back or it weaks the eye, like just weaks and pulls back, then break it with a full body candle. Do you understand what I mean?
Wait, makes a pullback with weak.
No, 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 no. Like it breaks the eye with a wick.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Pull back,
Mm.
liquidity sweep, then break the high with weak,
Yeah.
right?
Then it pulls back,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
break it fully.
Then break it
Will the
fully.
breaker block still be valid? Mm,
The breaker block from this zone
yeah.
with liquidity now is valid with liquidity.
Mm,
But since you have something like this, you should be coming back down to pick your other block since you have what first pullback here.
Mm.
right. Thank you.
Boss, please, can you go to BTC again?
Okay.
That place that I'm not seeing it though. Yeah. So that place that markets fell from today, right? Where's
Mm-hmm.
the POI that it started selling from?
Do you understand what I did here?
No, I'm still waiting for the POI.
Did you see the first pullback?
Yeah, I saw
And
that one.
now, like I said, market picks a zone designated to what? Liquidity. Are you seeing other block there?
Yes.
That's it.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, boss, I have a question. My
David.
question is,
Uh-huh.
boss, am I sorry to interrupt? My question is still this other block of a thing. Like, how do you identify it? Is it some people use this British engulfing bar or Doji candle? So my question
Some people use
is
what?
it Doji candle or a golfing
Yeah,
candle? Sorry.
more especially engulfing candle. And I don't know if some of you understand what I mean by engulfing candle. But
I know. I do remember a golfing candles.
yeah, some people don't know. Let me just explain. For example, now the low candle here, then you see another candle overpowering it, like going up like this. So this was
Yes.
engulfing candle. So more especially,
Mm,
let's say market your other block, use the low one like this to mark it out. So this is just like
okay.
how you mark your other block.
Okay.
You understand? Now, if to avoid too much of English or complicating things, you say using the last bearish. You know what I mean by bearish candle together with the bullish candle.
Yes.
Now, bearish candle. Let me use this as what this is what a bullish candle. For example, you want to mark out for this particular order block a bullish candle. Now, this is the last bullish candle together with the bearish candle. This is how I have to mark my
Okay.
order block.
Okay. Thank you. That's all.
Can I ask my question now?
Boss, please, can you go to gold daily?
Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me?
Zoom question. So question. David, ask your question.
Okay. I want to ask if there's any rule which you can use in picking a point of interest, like rule
The
when it
rule,
comes to trading reversals or continuation.
there's nothing like rule. The thing is that what market structure, you look for your liquidity, POI near to liquidity. So if market is bullish, you are buying. If market is selling, you are selling down with the pattern. Don't complicate things.
Okay.
Too much of all this thing will cause trouble.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Boss, please go to gold daily.
Okay. I mean, good.
I'm waiting for your screen. I've not seen it.
Are you
Okay.
not seeing my
Yeah, I'm seeing it now. I wasn't seeing it before. I'm seeing it now. So, since gold has been buying, right? I can see, I can see, how do I describe this now? So can we say, because I can see a sweep, and then I can see not there's a sweep there, there's a market structure shift to the downside, and it looks like this move going up is to go and start selling. So can we say from here that gold is going? We should be looking for gold sell.
There is no good sell. Good should be buying.
So now this is the issue because that's a question on directional bias. How exactly do we know which of the direction we should follow?
I don't
Because
understand.
okay, now when
See,
we're
this is a
looking at
breaker
this,
block here. If you are doing something like breaker block, you know the market is trying to push out the next high. Now, if you are trying to buy from this breaker block, you see what's going up to take out this high. Now, remember, this is a bigger time frame. Market took out this high. I'm trying to sell down from this zone. I didn't catch this particular setup. I know be my lane. I didn't catch this particular setup initially. So I'll just mark it out because of what I started noticing the market is selling down. Then I took the advantage of that continue doing what it's doing already to sell down to a certain point. I start looking for buy also because I know that this is like a retracement. Gold is bullish. Zoom user.
Because the thing I want to ask is the sweep of liquidity, can it be a body or a week? Which one?
Both of them.
Okay.
Whether week or body. This week is liquidity sweep. David, you have answered a question. I've answered your question already now. I know. Next class.